How to make background transparent in Photoshop. Simplify the process of making backgrounds transparent using Adobe Photoshop's AI Sensei. To start, open the image from which you want to remove the background. Next, right-click on the background layer in the Layers panel. Select Duplicate Layer to create a copy. This ensures you have an original layer intact. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Properties. Click on Remove Background under the Quick Actions section. Photoshop AI Sensei will automatically select and isolate the subject. If the selection isn't perfect, use the Quick Selection tool or Select and Mask Workspace to refine the edges. Adjust the brush size and paint over areas that need to be added to or subtracted from the selection. Once you're satisfied with this selection, press OK. You should now see a checkerboard pattern, which indicates transparency. Lastly, save your file.